Bunny, what's that barrette attached to your ear?
It's called a cochlear implant.
A what kind of plant?
No, silly. It's not a plant like the kind you see growing outside. It's called a cochlear implant.
Well, what does it do?
Well, Bobo, it helps me to hear. Because when I was born, I was deaf.
You were dead?
No, deaf. That means I could not hear. So my parents took me to the hospital when I was 1 year old, just a little bitty bunny. Then I went to sleep for a very long time, and when I woke up, I had one of these in my ear. When I was a little older, I went to the ear doctor, and they turned on my cochlear implant so that I could hear. My mommy says that I smiled when I first heard her voice. Ever since then, I have been able to hear. And tomorrow, I'm going to use my cochlear implants for show and tell.
That's so cool. Today is Bunny's day for show and tell. I hear she has a very exciting one.
Hello, everyone. Today I brought with me my cochlear implants. These are the things on my ears. These are not plants like you find outside. They are something that helps me to hear. When I was a tiny baby bunny, my parents found out that I could not hear because I would never answer them when they called my name. They took me to an audiologist, which is an ear doctor, and then I had to go to the hospital for surgery. When I went to the hospital, they put a piece of the cochlear implant underneath my skin. This piece of the cochlear implant stays inside me forever, but it doesn't hurt at all. In fact, you can't even tell that it's there. The piece inside of me goes through part of my ear and helps send sound up to my brain. Then, there is another part of the cochlear implant. This part is outside of my body, and as you can see, it attaches to the piece inside my body because there is a magnet. So the cochlear implant sticks to my head just like magnets stick to the refrigerator. The piece on the outside of my body picks up the sound just like an ear. Then it sends it up to my brain just like all of your ears. However, even though I can now hear, I still do not hear just like all of you. So I may still have to ask you to repeat what you say or to talk closer to me. So please be patient with me when I ask you to repeat yourself, because I do really want to hear what you have to say.
Thank you, Bunny, for that wonderful presentation. Perhaps later we'll be able to find out some of the specific ways we can help Bunny to understand us better when we talk with her.